Hello, good morning to all. I am Yogesh Tilwani. My seminar topic is CFD analysis of parabolic trough collector observative. The objective of this topic is to study the temperature distribution using the CFD analysis using the software and study the process of that the CFD analysis on that CFD analysis on the software. The significance and importance of this topic is using the CFD analysis we can describe the any system how it can work after the installation. So we can save our time for the installation and we save our money because if we install the system and if it's not working the properly, so we have to reinstall that system and we lost our time and money. If we do the CFD analysis on the software and after that we install that system, then we get better result. We can also find out the flow rate, mass flow rate, pressure drop, heat transfer rate using the CFD analysis. CFD analysis save as much some literature review before the some scientists do the analysis on the CFD and derive some conclusion. uh, According to the Ramesh K. Dunga, he find out the conclusion that semicircular tube is more efficient than the circular tube and so on. The most important the actual topic of my seminar topic is CFD analysis of absorptive. In that, what is absorptive? Absorptive tube is a long cylindrical tube which has the inside a long tube. On that tube there will be the some vacuum and outer there will be the glass tube. It consists of the metallic absorptive with the coaxially and it is installed in the parabolic trough collector coaxially, so the all the light rays which are the reflected are incident on that absorptive. What is a PTC? PTC stand for the parabolic trough collector. It is in a parabolic shape and it is a curve parabolic shape. It has a two direction. One is a very long in a very, and it has a polished mirror surface, so that all the sunlight which is i- incident on that parabolic surface is reflected back on that focal. And computational fluid dynamic is the branch of fluid mechanics that used for the numerical analysis and data structure analysis, solve the problem, involve the fluid flows using the computers. We also using the computation for the heat transfer rate, and the CFD analysis we can done using the different software like ANSYS Fluid, Cosmol, Autodex, CFD, and many more software. This after doing the CFD analysis we get its results like that result, not such thing but similar to this result. Conclusion is that the nowadays all the energy sources are going to destroy, but the only one source is which is plenty of available is sunlight. So using the sunlight we have to increase our power energy sources. So to improve our efficiency of the system, we need to do the analysis, and after that most efficient system if we install in, and after using all the sunlight we can produce the more power. Future scope is future scope we can using the CFD analysis we design the most efficient system for the solar energy. These are the for the this for making this PPT we take the some references that are mentioned here. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.